Welcome back to my channel. For today, we will be covering Wednesday's analysis. It is also FOMC day. So, TLDR, I am bearish on indices and we will be only focusing on indices for today. Heading over to the charts, we're starting off on the 4 hours time frame. We have Monday's expansion lower. So typically when Monday gives an expansion profile, I don't really want to trade against the expansion. So let's just say Monday expands lower, I would prefer to short. If Monday expands higher, I would prefer to long. So in this case, what we're looking for is in line with the Monday's expansion, and that gives us some form of confluence that Monday's high is probably the high of the week. Probably, not too sure. Okay, now on the 4 hours time frame after Tuesday's open, we formed two swing highs on S&P and Nasdaq. We took out those swing highs and then we displaced lower on ES. Nasdaq not yet, but ES, it has already displaced lower. So similar to the framework that I have been utilizing, it's just on the higher time frame context. Okay, because the model is fractal, the framework is fractal. You can do this on the 4 hour to 1 hour chart. You can do this on the 1 hour to 15 minutes, and you can do this on the 15 minutes to 3 minutes and the 3 minutes to 1 minute. Okay, so these are the different time frames that you can utilize the frameworks for. So with that said, dropping down into the 1 hour, we would be looking for CISD on the 1 hour. And for ES, it has already printed the CISD with the previous candle's close. Nasdaq is still pretty far away, and even if it prints the CISD, it's going to be way down here. Alright, so what are the possibilities for later on, like maybe during the London session? We could have ES trade back into OTE and then trade lower to take out Monday's low. That is scenario number one. Scenario number two is that Nasdaq is going to form this swing high right here on the 1 hour. We can take out this 1 hour swing high and then displace lower. But in this case, I will not be dropping into the 15 minutes after the 1 hour has taken on this swing high. The reason being is that we are deriving the framework and setup from the 4 hours. So it requires a 1 hour CISD. Clear? And with that said, that's pretty much it for today's analysis. We'll be looking for shorts, and I told you how to look for it and how I am going to look for it, how I'm going to execute as well. Okay, for me to take a short trade on ES, I would require Monday's low to remain open for target. Alright, that is the last point. So thanks for watching and good luck trading. If you're trading today, just be a little bit more cautious during FOMC or right before FOMC. Thanks for watching. Did I say that? Yeah. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.